Vancity Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're banking in Canada, the Vancity app promises to simplify everyday banking tasks and help you manage your finances on the go, but how well does it really perform? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming mobile banking is just for checking balances. With Vancity, you can view account balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and even deposit checks directly from your smartphone. It also provides insights into spending patterns, helping you budget more effectively. Another advantage is security. The app uses two-factor authentication and encryption to protect your information, and users can quickly lock their cards if lost or stolen. Vancity also offers eco-friendly features like paperless statements and the ability to track the environmental impact of your spending. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional crashes, slow loading times, and limited functionality compared to desktop banking. Certain features, like applying for loans or managing investments, may require switching to the website or visiting a branch. In conclusion, the Vancity app is a convenient and secure tool for everyday banking. The surprising truth is that while it covers most essential tasks, heavy users may find it less versatile than other full-service banking apps. For members who want quick access to accounts, easy payments, and budgeting insights, Vancity delivers a solid mobile banking experience, but be prepared to use additional platforms for more complex transactions.